Morning children. Same chapter we are continuing, chapter 9 rational numbers. Today we are going to learn about the exercise questions, that is exercise 9.1. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. So we have to find out the 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0 here. So what we should do the steps, -1 equal to -1 by 1 equal to -10 by 10. That means equivalent fraction rule we have applied here. So equivalent rational number we have to say now. So equivalent rational number rule we have applied. The same way 0 can be written as 0 by 1, which is equal to 0 by 10. Now you can see that both are having the denominator 10 only, right? What is the numerator? -10 and 0. So -10 and 0, we can write the many rational numbers like this: -9 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10, -6 by 10, -5 by 10. How we got that one? Because the denominator there is no change. We have to keep all the denominator as a 10 only, and we have to write the numbers between -10 to 0. So -10 to 0, it lies between, means -9, and here it is -1. So I have chosen -9, -8, -7, -6 and -5. You can write any 5 from this -1 to -9 only. I have written in this way. Anybody wants to write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 with the denominator 10, they can write like that also. Understood this one? I repeat once again, -1 is means -1 by 1, because the denominator is 1, means the value will not change. Again denominator we are making 10, so it is -10 by 10, right? Now 0, how we can write 0 by 1 with the denominator 0 by 10. Okay, now the 5 rational numbers are, we have to choose only 5 rational numbers only. So how we can write that one? It will be equal to -9 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10, -6 by 10, -5 by 10. Now further what we can write? -4 by 10 also correct, -3 by 10 also correct, -2 by 10 also correct, and -1 by 10 also correct. But you cannot write -10 by 10 as well as 0 by 10, right? Now second question, -2 and -1. Again also we have to write 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1 only. How to write -2? -2 can be written as -2 by 1. Now it is equal to -20 by 10, right? -20 by 10 we got for -2 now, because the denominator we made as a 10 here. Similarly, -1 can be written as -1 by 1, and the denominator is 10, so the numerator also became -10 only. So we got -20 by 10 and -10 by 10. Now how many numbers we can write? We need only 5 only, but the denominator is always 10, and -20 -10 is there, so -19 to -11 we can write. -19 by 10, -18 by 10, -17 by 10, -16 by 10, and -15 by 10. So 5 rational numbers we have written. So I think it is clear for you the idea. Once again I'll explain the question. -1 and 0, that was the first question. So -1 means -1 by 1. Now what we have written? The second number is 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So both the number is 1 only denominator. But now we need 5 rational numbers. It is difficult to find -1 and 0 any rational numbers there. So what we should do means we should convert it into them into equivalent rational number rule. So the denominator we have chosen as a 10. So we are multiplying with the 10. So numerator also 10 became -10 by 10. Similarly here 0 by 10. So in between, how many numbers are there? -9 by 10 is there, -8 by 10 is there, -7 by 10 is there. Similarly -6 by 10, -5 by 10, and you can continue up to -1 by 10. If any children is writing for 5 rational number -10 by 10 and 0 by 10 in this answer, then it is wrong, because it is asked for between. So these two numbers you cannot write. Other than that, whatever is lies between there. It is not necessary that we should keep as a denominator 10. You can convert into denominator 20 also. Then also we can find many numbers. So one more question, minus 2 and minus 1. What is the denominator? Again 10 we have chosen. So minus 20 by 10 minus 10 by 10. From that we have written minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 16 by 10 and minus 15 by 10. Third question, 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Now 4 by 5 and 3, we have to find out 45 as the denominator. You can find 15 also, there is no problem, but we need 5 rational numbers. So we are choosing as minus 4 by 5 equal to minus 4 into 9 divided by 5 into 9. It is equal to minus 36 by 45. Now what is the next number? Minus 2 by 3. Again 45 we have chosen, so it is to be multiplied with the 15 and the numerator is 15, so you got minus 30. So what happens here, minus 36 to minus 30 is there, so we will get easily 5 from this one. Minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 32 by 45, minus 31 by 45. Now here one more point I can explain, that when we are going to change as a denominator is 15. See, minus 4 by 5 can be written as 15, means it is minus 12 by 15, right? Minus 2 by 3 also I can write as a 15, means it is minus 10. So what is the number between them? It is just minus 11 by 15 only, right? So between we will get only one number, but the question is asked for how many? So 5 are asked. So we are converting in the denominator in the bigger form, that is 45 we have taken, right? So that is why we are getting minus, we are chosen 45 as the denominator and we can pick out any 5. The correct exact 5 we are getting. So minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, like that, minus 31 by 45. One more sum, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. 1 by 2 we have chosen as a 36 here, so it will be 18 by 36. I think you understood now. 1 by 2 will be 18 by 36. Similarly 2 by 3 means 24 by 36. So since we need 5 rational numbers, what we should do, 18 to 24 we can write 19 by 36, 20 by 36, 21 by 36, 22 by 36, 23 by 36. Write 4 more rational numbers. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20, right? So minus 3 by 5 is the first one. How we are getting the second one? You check that one. If you multiply the numerator and the denominator with the 2, you will get minus 6 by 10, right? For the third number, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the 3. Now the fourth one, it is 4, right? That like that this pattern is followed here. So it is 1 only, into 1 means there is no change in the value, then into 2, then into 3, into 4. Now 4 more means what we should do, it should be multiplied with numerator and denominator with 5, similarly with the 6, similarly with the 7 and 8. So the answer is 15 minus 15 by 25, minus 18 by 30, minus 21 by 35, minus 24 by 40. Understood now? So what is the question? Minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20. From this we should identify one pattern, that you can understand that for getting minus 6 by 10 we should multiply multiply the numerator and the denominator with the 2. So you got minus 6 by 10, right? Minus 9 is there, so minus 3 into 3, minus 9 only, minus 5 into 3, it is 15. Similarly here 4. So 4 more pattern means up to 4 we are done. Next it should be with the 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is minus 15 by 25, minus 18 by 30, minus 21 by 35, and the last one minus 24 by 40. Similarly, second question, let us see. Minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12. So for getting the second one, that is minus 2 by 8, we should multiply the numerator and denominator of minus 1 by 4 with the 2. See, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 4 into 2 8. Similarly, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 4 into 3 12. So 1 is used, 2 is used, and 3 is used. 4 more pattern means what should be multiplying the numerator and denominator? 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer we are going to get there? Minus 4 by 16, minus 5 by 20, minus 6 by 24, minus 7 by 28. Now you understood the idea. Similarly, we can go for the third and fourth. So third question, minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24. See that the denominator you are getting negative and numerator is 1 here. See, so minus 1 by 6, when you multiplied with the 2 and 2. See, numerator is 2 and the denominator is 2. What you will get? It is 2 divided by minus 12. It is same only. So nothing to worry about. If here numerator is having this negative sign and the denominator is not having negative sign, right? So we have to write that this minus 1 we are giving to the denominator, right? So it is same only. 1 by minus 6 we are writing, then we are multiplying with the 2, we are multiplying with the 3, we are multiplying with the 4. So it is completed with the 2, 3, 4. Right? So what will be the next 4 pattern? It should be multiplied with the 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the answer now? So 5, 6, 7, 8 we should multiply with 1 by minus 6 we have chosen. So our answer is 5 by minus 30, 6 by minus 36, 7 by minus 42, 8 by minus 48. Similarly, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 and here 2 by minus 3 and 4 by minus 6, 6 by minus 9 only. So what we have to write here means minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by minus 3. I have taken 2 by minus 3. After that we are multiplying with the, because it is 1 is over here. So 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3 into 2, 2 by minus 3 into 3. So 4 more pattern means 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 8 by minus 12, 10 by minus 15, 12 by minus 18 and 14 by minus 21. See the answer once again, 8 by minus 12, 10 by minus 15, 12 by minus 18, 14 by minus 21. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. So minus 2 by 7 is the question. So with the 1 we will not do. We can start with the 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Minus 2 by 7 is the question. Minus 2 by 7 is multiplied with the 2. Minus 2 by 7 is multiplied with the 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Minus 2 by 7 is multiplied with the 4 in the numerator as well as the denominator. Minus 2 by 7 into 5 and 7 also multiplied with the 5. So what is the answer we are going to get there? Minus 4. See, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 7 into 2 14. Minus 4 by 14. Minus 6 by 21. Minus 8 by 28. Minus 10 by 35. Have you seen this one? So what is the question? Minus 2 by 7. What we have to find out? 4 more rational numbers, equivalent numbers only. So what we should do? We should multiply and divide the numerator with the same number. So we have chosen 2 here. So minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 into 2 means minus 4. 7 into 2 means 14. Minus 2 into 3 means minus 6. 7 into 3 means 21. Right? Similarly, the other two also we can write minus 8 by 28. Minus 10 by 35. Second one, 5 by minus 3. Again 4 more rational numbers equivalent to this only. We have to multiply and divide with the 2. So 5 by minus 3 into 2. So that means 2 by 2. That is 5 into 2, 10. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Now 3 we have chosen. So 5 into 3, 15. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. Similarly 4 and 5. 5 into 4, 20. Minus 3 into 4, it is minus 12. 5 into 5, 25. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. So we got the answer 10 by minus 6, 15 by minus 9, 20 by minus 12, 25 by minus 15. Next question, 4 by 9. Again, we have to multiply and divide with 2 only. 2, 3, 4, 5 we have chosen here. 4 into 2, 8. 9 into 2, 18. 4 into 3, 12. 9 into 3, 27. So here what is the concept means? The same concept what I learned for equivalent rational numbers. Numerator, what you are doing, the same thing you have to do with the denominator. 4 into 4, 16. 9 into 4, 36. 4 into 5, 20. 9 into 5, 20, 45. So the answer is 8 by 18, 12 by 27, 16 by 36 and 20 by 45. Next question, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. The first question is 3 by 4. We have already seen while doing the example questions. So first, one more time I am explaining. First we have to draw the number line. 1 centimeter you have to mark. Since it is positive 3 by 4 only, 0, 1, 2, 6 I have taken here, minus 1, 2, minus 5 we are marked here. Now the denominator is 4. So we will make all the denominator is 4 now. Have you seen? So here also 4 and here also 4, 4, again 4. Again also you know that 3 by 4 is such a number which lies between 0 and 1 only. Now I got here 3 by 4. I'll mark a letter P here. So P represents 3 by 4 only. Now you can check that whether it is right or wrong. 0 by 4 and 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equivalent to which one? 1 only. So 0 to 1 we divided into 4 equal parts. Then from that we have marked 3 by 4. So for what happens? Children will make a 0 to 1 is a very small portion, and in that we will do small divisions that I told should not do. We will mark a number line first with 1 centimeter. According to the denominator we should give that one. So here P we write P represents 3 by 4. Now I think there is no need of explaining. Already we have done practice problems. After that only we are doing the exercises. So you know very well. Still anybody's missed that part. That is why we are explaining again and again. Now what is the second question? Minus 5 by 8. So marked the number line, and what is the denominator I kept now? 8 only. Now which number I want? Minus 5 by 8. So mark X there and give any letter A. So you can write A represents minus 5 by 8, right? Similarly we can do the other two sums also. So minus 7 by 4 is the next question. If we go for the mixed fraction, it is minus 1 integer 3 by 4 also. So minus 1 means it is here minus 4 by 4, that is equivalent to 1. And minus 1 integer 3 by 4, it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So see here it is minus 4 by 4 and minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4 is nothing, minus 2 only, and minus 4 by 4 means it is minus 1 only. Now we have made all the denominator with the 4 only. Now we can mark here Q. One more point I have to explain means whatever number you are showing on the number line, all must have the denominator 4. That is required one only, you should not write. Every number, whatever numbers you are showing, that all numbers are having the denominator 4 only, then your number line marking is correct. Now similarly 7 by 8, you can see that minus 2 by 8, minus 1 by 8, 0 by 8. I have not missed any number also. All the numbers if you check, you can see the denominator 8 only, and mark where is 7 by 8 comes, there is R I marked there. So R represents 7 by 8. So this question we have done on already in our practice sessions. You can go through that video and you can see that one why it is doing like this. It is for understanding purpose only that, but still the number line value will not change. If it is 7 by 8 means what is the value? It lies between 0 and 1 only. 1 equivalent to 8 by 8, right? 0 means 0 by 8. So every that is divided into 8 equal parts. From there we have chosen 7 by 8 according to the question. Question number 5. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line. Many points are there. They are on the number line such a way that TR equal to RS equal to SU. AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by P, Q, R and S. See that you can see the number line now. See T, R, S, U. So what is the distance between U and T? It is 1 unit because minus 1 and minus 2. What is the distance? Only 1 unit. How many parts it's divided? 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. Now this is minus 1 and again this is minus 1 by 3 only. Each part is 1 by 3, but it is on the negative side of the left side of the 0, so negative sign. So TR equal to RS equal to SU equal to 1 by 3. That you understood now, because 3 equal division. Now this is left side of the 0, so negative sign. So R we want, R they asked, PQRS they asked, so R means minus 1 by 3, that is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now what is S now? Minus 1 by 3, again minus 2 by 3, so it is equal to minus 5 by 3. This is clear for you because R will be minus 1 by 3 part, again this is minus 2 by 3 part, right? All equal to 1 by 3 only. So what we should do? Minus 1 by 3, we are getting minus 4 by 3. Again S means minus 1 minus 2 by 3, it is equal to minus 5 by 3. Got? Similarly, the right side if you will come, AP equal to PQ equal to QB. What is again? It is divided into 3 equal parts only. Now the question is asked for P only. So 2 is starting here. So 2 plus 1 by 3 it is. See that one? P equal to 2 plus 1 by 3. If you take the LCM or 2, we can write 6 by 3 and again total 7 by 3. Got? Next, second part means 2 plus 2 by 3. So what is the answer? Q equal to 8 by 3. So right side it is easy to understand, all of you, how you have marked in the our number line system. Based on that we can see that AB equal to 1 unit. It is again divided into 3 parts, but this time it is not starting with 1. Which number it is starting? 2. So 2 plus 1 by 3. Similarly, second point means 2 plus 2 by 3. Now this is 3 by 3, that is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So we need only 2. Which are they? P and Q. So 2 plus 1 by 3 means it is 7 by 3. Similarly, Q means 2 plus 2 by 3, it is equal to 8 by 3. Now if you understood with the plus, I'll explain once again with the negative sum. What is the negative side? T, U and T. Again 1 unit. It is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. So each part is equal to 1 by 3. If it is 1 by 3 with the negative sign, so minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 is nothing else, minus 1. So minus 1 plus minus 1, it is minus 2. So now we need R means minus 1 by 3. That is the first part. So final answer is what? Minus 4 by 3. S means what? Minus 1 minus 2 by 3. It is equal to minus 5 by 3. So today's class we are winding up. Next class we continue the same exercise 9.1. Thank you.